What's the meaning of amalgam? Amalgam. 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 Amalgam.
The term amalgam refers to a mixture or combination of different elements or substances, often resulting in a homogeneous blend. The result of an amalgamation can vary depending on the ingredients and the process used to combine them. In some cases, the resulting blend may be stronger or more durable than its individual components. Amalgams are commonly used in dentistry to fill cavities, as well as in metallurgy and chemistry to produce alloys and compounds with unique properties. Overall, an amalgam represents a unified whole that is greater than the sum of its parts.